In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export multiple frames from Figma as a single PDF without using any plugins at all. Whether you're sharing your latest designs with a client or just keeping your work organized, being able to export frames efficiently is a crucial skill. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Figma's homepage, which is the collaborative interface design tool we're all accustomed to. Make sure you're logged into your Figma account. If you're not, click on the login button located at the top right of the page and enter your credentials. This step ensures you have access to your projects and files. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Figma home interface. This is the hub where you can access all your design projects. Navigate to the project containing the frames you wish to export. Upon entering your project, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a list of your files and the Design tab. Click on Design to enter the design mode where you can see all your work spread out. Now that you're in design view, it's time to select the frames you wish to export. This step is crucial, so take your time to click each frame while holding down the shift key. Doing this will allow you to select multiple frames simultaneously, ensuring they're all prepared for the next steps. After selecting your desired frames, you'll need to navigate to the right hand side of the Figma interface. Here, you'll see an export section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Export, which will open up the export settings. Make sure that the format is set to PDF, since that's what we're aiming for. You'll see options for setting the resolution and whether or not you want any crop marks or additional settings applied. Once everything is to your liking, it's as simple as clicking the Export button. Figma will seamlessly combine all the selected frames into a single PDF file, allowing you to share or archive your work efficiently. And there you have it. This straightforward method empowers you to export multiple frames without the need for any additional plugins or complicated workarounds. Now you can easily keep all your designs in one cohesive document, perfect for presentations or filing. With practice, this process will become second nature, saving you time and effort in the long run. Happy designing, and thanks for tuning in.